Maybe take the first set of words and say, today, what can I do to utilize that set of words?
How do I change right away? How do I start implementing exactly what to say in my day-to-day?
Okay. So exactly what to say is a short read. You could read it cover to cover in 75 minutes. It includes 23 sets of powerful magic words that talk towards the subconscious brain that allow you to be able to have more influence over other people. It's a short read, but it isn't necessarily short to be able to implement into your day-to-day protocols. It isn't a book that you read. It's a set of principles that become tools in your life. So how do you take those tools and start turning them into not Phil's magic words, but is in things that sit within your own personal arsenal that allow you to get your own way more often? Well, you slow it down. Let's just say, for argument's sake, that you had read the book Magic Words, you had read exactly what to say, and you had captured all the magic words. Then maybe go back to the beginning again. Maybe take the first set of words and say, today, what can I do to utilize that set of words in as many conversations as possible? Where can I test it in low-stake environments? How can I use that sequence of words to maybe be able to get my spouse to take the trash out that they wouldn't have done previously? How do I use that set of words to be able to influence somebody in a shop environment to be able to do more for me than they would have done otherwise? How do I use it to be able to reach out to a supplier and see if I can get a little bit extra that I haven't been able to get in the past? Yada, 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 right? So if you just push them through and turn them into your standard ways of working, if you did that for 23 days consecutively, my guess is you'd make progress. If you did that and then you zipped back again to the first set of words after you got to day 23 and did the same thing again, my guess is you'd get better again.
Absolutely.
My guess would be is actually if you could do this and you could spar it out with other people who are in your social network, and you could perhaps do this collaboratively with a small community of 2, 5, 7, 15 other people, then I'm guessing that what would happen there is that you'd start to actually be able to create exponential growth in this area of development by many of you riffing off each other in the same process, even being playful to the point that you'd be using examples of these words on each other just to be able to flex that muscle memory. And that's all you're looking at being able to do. If you want to get good at push-ups, you got to do push-ups.
Yeah.
Right? It's as simple as that. And the same with word choices. If you want to get good at word choices, do the reps. People say to me, how do you get so competent in this given area? I did the reps. And there is no shortcut for that. But what there is shortcuts towards how you can get to do the reps. If you just wait for the high stakes environments, there isn't enough time in the world for you to get the reps to get to high levels of confidence.
Absolutely.
And high levels of competence. You need to do the reps in the low stakes areas. Hence why Olympians don't have every day as race day. They have every day as training day, so that when race day comes up, they're ready, ready, ready.